Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook 6-digit code not received. If you're trying to verify your account or if you're trying to do anything and Facebook is asking you to enter the verification code, but you're just not receiving the verification code on your email or your SMS, then there are some things which you need to do. First, I will suggest you to do is check your Wi-Fi, because sometimes due to slow internet it causes the problem. And if your internet is not slow and you're still facing this issue, then the next thing which I will suggest you to do is delete your Facebook app. Sometimes a bug causes the problem, so deleting the app will basically delete the bug as well. And when you reinstall Facebook, you will be installing the latest version of Facebook, and that means you will be updating your Facebook as well, and by doing that your problem should be fixed. And the next thing you could have done is, if you have tried to send yourself code multiple times, then what Facebook is going to think is somebody is trying to hack into your account. In that case, Facebook will stop the code sending feature for 1 or 2 hours, but sometimes it's 24 hours. So in that case, what you need to do is wait for 1 or 2 hours and try to send yourself a code. If it didn't, then you can wait for 24 hours. But let's say you don't want to wait for 24 hours. Then what you can do is download a VPN and connect to your country. Just make sure it's not your country. If it is not your country, you can connect to any random country and try to send yourself a code. Your problem should be fixed. You should receive a code if you use a VPN. And the next thing you can do is check if you have network or not. So at the top of my screen, right beside my Wi-Fi connection, there is a network bar showing. So I have 2 network bar, which means I should receive my SMS code. But if you're in a place where you have Wi-Fi but you don't have network connection, then it could be the issue, because you're trying to receive code on your SMS, and the only way you guys are going to receive SMS code is if you have network connection. So make sure you're in a place where you have stable network connection and your problem should be fixed. So all the solution which I have told you until now should have fixed your 6-digit code not receiving problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.